Hi, Helen. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week. And need to start studying. Ugh.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Language notes. Hi is an informal way of saying hello. Notice that the I sound in hi is extended to show that Jane is very pleased to see Helen. How's it going is an informal way of saying how are you?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you? Notice the rising intonation on and you? This shows that Helen is interested in what Jane has to say. Where are you off to? Is an informal way of saying where are you going?
Where are you off to?
Where are you off to? Hey, where are you off to?
Honey, where are you off to?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Notice the following intonation since this is an information question, not a yes or no question to the library. Notice that Helen does not say, I'm going here because that information was already established in the question. Where are you off to? Oh, no, is a way of saying, I sympathize with you. Or, I understand you are not happy. See you later is an informal way of saying goodbye.
See you later. See you later.
See you later. See you later.
And need to start studying. Ugh. Ugh.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Oh, this is terrible, Johnson. Oh.
Hey! Oh!
3 different ways of pronouncing it. Number 1, ugh, ugh. Number 2, ugh, ugh. Number 3,